Hey friends, this is Wayne over at the Ram Man Inc. Don't forget the ink. Hey, check this out. We got a set of locking hubs going to Lubbock here in Texas, and these things are going on a Tahoe. Now I noticed Tahoes are like big with the chicks nowadays. I don't know if it's his or it's the old ladies, but here we go. We've just got his 2 replacement shafts right here, as you can see, and here's the hubs, ready to be bolted on. Just one piece assemblies with the locking units. We'll check our fitment and our bearings and our splines. Take our time here. Nice and snug. Waboom. There we go. That's all you got to do. Have a little bit of patience. There, it's locked up now. Yep. So, here we go, free, and the lock. Let's check out the other one. Make sure it's good. Oh yeah. There we go. Locked up. So, my main point is, my friends, it don't got to be your big old pickup, your 3/4 ton or your 1 ton. Hell, you put these things on your Escalade, Tahoe, whatever the old lady's driving, you can be cool too. God bless you. God bless America, and happy trucking. Bye.